Hello children, hope you all are good and must have completed the work till exercise 7.7. So today start the exercise 7.8. Open page number 102. First, I am going to explain you how to do the multiplication of fractions. See children, if the question is given to you, you already know what is multiplication. It is repeated addition. The repeated addition is known as multiplication. So, see the example here. If 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is given to you, already you know the answer will be 10. But in the form of multiplication, it is repeated addition of same number. So, we can write 2 is repeated 5 times. So, 2 into 5, the answer will be 10. Now, if we get the fraction, repeated addition of fraction. So, how we will do multiplication in that? See, 1 by 2. How many times it is getting repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times into 1 by 2. So, the answer will be 5 by 2, or you can write this into mixed. Let's see one more example. 3 by 4 is getting added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So, what we can write? 3 by 4 into 5. Now 5 threes are 15 by 4. This you are getting. And now this improper fraction you can change into mixed. So this is your answer. Now children, open page 103. Exercise 7.8. In this you have to add them, but by doing multiplication. So how you can do? See, first of all, see, observe the figure and write the fraction of one figure. That means this is the fraction given to you, triangle. It has 4 equal parts. If I ask what is a fraction of the shaded part, so we can write 4 are the total parts and 1 is shaded. And see, the fraction of shaded part is same for all the figures. So we can write this 1 by 4. How many times it is getting repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will be multiplied by 5. So the answer will be 5 by 4. And this we can write into mixed. That will be 1 whole 1 by 4. And this is the answer of this addition. Now let's see how to do in notebook. See, you have to do the addition of this question. First, write the fraction of shaded part. It will be 1 by 2. Now check how many times it is getting repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Multiply by 5. Children, remember, we always multiply numerator with the numerator. That means 1 will be multiplied with 5, not this 2. So it will be 5 by 2. Now this is improper fraction. You can write into mix. So you get 2 whole 1 by 2 is the answer. Now see one more example. What is a fraction of this shaded part? It will be 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded and total parts are 4. And it is getting repeated thrice, 3 times. So it will be 3 threes are 9 by 4. Now write in mixed. You will get 2 whole 1 by 4. Now see one more example. Now write the fraction of one figure. It will be total parts are 8 and shaded are 6. And how many times it is getting added? 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4. Children, see, if in multiplication you can reduce it, to reduce it and then get the final answer. Like you can see this 4 and 8. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So what you get? 6 by 2. Now again you can reduce it. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So what is the final answer? 3. 3 whole number. Let's see one book part, book exercise part, that is C. The remaining A, B and D you will be doing in your notebook in this way. Now children, see, this is the figure. You have to add these figures. So write the fraction for the shaded part. So you will be getting 3 by 5. So write it 3 by 5 and then how many times it getting added? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So multiply with 5. Now you can see this 5 and 5. We can divide it. 5 ones are and 5 ones are. So what is the answer? 3 ones are is 3 by 1. That is 3 is the answer. Now children, see the multiplication of fraction by a number. Then B part I will be explaining you multiplication of proper fraction. Both are proper fraction. And the multiplication of mixed fraction. Let's see the first part. 6 by 9 into 4. Now see, this 6 and 9 comes in the table of 3. So we can divide them by 3. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So what we get? 4 2s are 8 and 3. Now this is improper. We can change into mixed. 3 2s are 6 and 2. This is the answer. Now see the multiplication of proper fractions. So 4 by 7 is getting multiplied by 5 by 11. We always do multiplication with the same, like numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will be 5 4s are 20 by 11 7s are 77. Now we cannot reduce it, so this is the final answer. Now see one more example. 4 by 11 into 22 upon 36. 4 by 11 into 22 by 36. You can see this 11 and 22 gets divided by 11. 11 ones are and 11 twos are. Now 4 and 36. 4 ones are and 4 nines are. So what is the answer? 2 by 9. This is a proper fraction. So this is your final answer. Now see the multiplication of mixed fraction. 2 whole 2 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 5. Now change into improper fraction. So you will get 8 by 3 into 12 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. Now 3 and 12. We can reduce it. 3 1s are and 3 4s are. Now this 4 and 8 we cannot divide it because both are numerators. So we can write 8 into 4 by 1 into 5. We get 32 by 5. And change into mixed, we get 6 whole 2 by 5. This is the answer. See one more example. Now change into improper. So you will get 51 by 7 into 35 by 17. Now only 7 and 35, 7 ones are, 7 fives are. And see one thing more, 17 ones are, 17 threes are. So you get 3 into 5 by 1. That means 15 is your answer. Now children, 7.8 exercise you will do in the notebook. Turn the page 104, exercise 7.9. Only you will be doing the shortlisted questions of question number 1. Question number 2, they are puzzle type. So they will not come. Cross them, cut them. Now 7.9, question number 1. 2 parts I am again explaining you. See the A part. It is 1 upon 8 into 40. You know 40 comes in the table of 8. 8 ones are and 8 fives are. So what is the answer? 5. Now see one more part. 6 by 5 multiplied by 2. So you get 12 by 5, and if you change into mixed, what you will get? 2 whole 2 by 5. This is the answer. And children, question number 2, all the parts are cut. Now children, 105, exercise 1.10. Question number 1, already I explained you. We will be doing in notebook. Same with question number 2. The shortlisted questions you will be doing in notebook. And from question number 3, only A and B parts in the notebook. Rest all are cut. Just have a look for exercise 7.10 in the notebook. Question number 1, D part I am solving you. 6 by 7 of means multiply into 21. Now this 7 ones are and 7 threes are. So 6 threes are is 18. This is your answer. Now see A and G part of question number 2. 2 by 5 multiply by 1 by 6. Now this 2 and 6 we can divide by same table. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So what we get? 1 into 1 by 5 into 3. So what we get? 1 ones are 1 and 5 threes are 15. This is your answer. Now see the G part. If it is given in mixed, So what is your first step? You will change it into improper fraction. 15 into 23 by 6. Now here you can assume 1. So what you get? 15 into 23 by 1 into 6. Now 3 2s are and 3 5s are. Now nothing else, and 23 5s are 115 by 2. Now change into mixed fraction. So you get 57 whole 1 by 2. This is your answer. Now let's see two more parts of question number 2. In this it is one mixed fraction and one improper fraction. To change this mixed into improper fraction, so you will get 7 by 3 into 7 by 3. Children, see, don't cut them 7 7 1 1. They are not getting divided. They are getting multiplied. 7 7s is 49 and 3 3s are 9. Now write it into mixed fraction. 5 whole 4 by 9. So this is the answer. Now O part, two mixed fractions are getting multiplied, change into improper. So here you will get 32 by 5 into 7 by 4. Now 5 and 7, they are already in reduced form. Divide this 4 and 32. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are. Now what we get? 8 into 7 by 5 into 1. 56 by 5. Now we can write into mixed. 11 whole 1 by 5. This is the answer. Now children, see question number 3rd, A part. This A part you will be doing yourself. This is your homework. And B part, I will show you the solution. See A part first. A park has a perimeter of 2 whole 1 by 3 kilometers. If a boy takes 3 rounds of it, how many kilometers has he run? So you know, when the perimeter of 1 round is given and they are asking for 3 rounds, what we will do? Multiplication. So 2 whole 1 by 3 will be multiplied by 3. Now see the B part. A man earns rupees 10,000 a month. He spends 1 by 5th of it on house rent and 1 by 2, that is half, on his personal expenses. How much does he spend on each of these? आपको दोनों का अलग अलग expense निकालना है of each. See the solution for the third word problem. First write the salary. Salary of a man is rupees 10,000. He spends. The first one is on house rent. It is 1/5 of salary. What is the amount of salary? 1 by 5 into 10,000. So this you can divide. 5 1s are, 5 2s are and 3 0. So that means rupees 2,000. Then second part, his personal expenses is 1 by 2 of salary. So that is 1 by 2 into 10,000. You can divide, 5,000. You get both the answers. So at last what you can write? Therefore, he spent rupees 2,000 on house rent and rupees 5,000 as his personal expenses. So now I hope this whole exercise is clear to you. Complete your work till exercise 7.10.